নমস্কার। দেখুন ঘড়িতে এখন ঠিক বাজে রাত 2টো। আর এখানে সিলভার ভিলা বলে একটি বহুতল নির্মাণ হচ্ছে। আর অ্যাজ পার দি গাইডলাইন্স, অ্যাজ পার দি রুলস of the pollution board, the constructions after the 10 p.m. and in between 6 a.m. it is not permitted by the rules, but the unloading of bricks and other stuffs are carried out by the workers at night. We registered a complaint by the email to these Silver Villa, but they didn't respond us. And see the time, it's 2 a.m. you can see, but they carried out the unloading process at night, and we just can't sleep. We are so tired and we can't sleep. Nasty noises are there, you can hear also. Is this illegal? See, we will register a complaint at the Chief Minister grievance cell